Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing suitcase infographic in just a few minutes. Plus if you want to buy this template, make sure to check the PowerPoint link in the description. So the first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide, and we're going to insert a rounded rectangle into the slide. The next thing we have to do is just insert these straight rectangle lines in them. One by one, make 3 duplicate copies. The duplicating key is Ctrl+D. Then we're gonna insert this circle on top, and after that what you're gonna do is just we're gonna select all of the shapes and fragment them. After doing that, let's remove these in between parts that we don't need. Here we go. Then what we're gonna do is just remove the outlines, and we're gonna change the color. For the top 4 rectangles, we're gonna use a dark color. For the bottom ones, we're gonna use a bit lighter colors. The next thing you have to do is just change the color. So I'm gonna go with purple for top first. First of all, let's give it 0 transparency. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is just one moment change the colors. So yeah, from here we're gonna make some gap in both of the top and the bottom parts of the shapes. So let's give them the 5th number shadow again. But from my shape, what we're gonna do is insert another text box in which we're gonna write the we're just gonna type down the numbers that this is this number rectangle or the shape. Here we go. The next thing we have to do is just insert icons on top rectangles. So let's decrease their sizes. Here we go. Also make sure that you have placed them into the middle in the center. Put them downwards. What we're going to do is just make the handles of this bag on top from where we're going to carry it. So let's make those shapes. Let's make this ring type shape, insert it and cut it in half using this rectangle using fragment from merge options. We're gonna just put it on top and decrease its height and width. Here we go. The next thing we have to do is just change the spaces between all of these shapes. Then what we're gonna do is group it and just put it downwards in the bottom part. Also, we're gonna insert our text. Whatever text you wanna use. Let's insert this text box onto the right side. We're just gonna give it a left side alignment and then group it again using Ctrl+G key. Duplicate it using Ctrl+D key, and we're gonna just move it on top. So yeah, we're gonna insert another title on top after inserting this text. Here we go. Also make sure that you have put everything in same angle. So yeah, this is the final result. Make sure to subscribe.